Does your tumble dryer just hum when you press start and it just doesn't turn around? If so, this is a video to watch. Right, let's set it to any program, press start, and this is what it sounds like. Now the reason why it's humming is because the motor isn't turning, and because the motor isn't turning, it's not turning the drum. And the problem is with this, a capacitor. We need to swap this over because the one in this machine has totally gone. So let's give this a go. Right, first of all, we've got to undo the 3 screws holding the kick plate. Once that's done, peel off the kick plate from the top, move it to one side. Then that reveals the motor, pulley wheels, the capacitor, just what I'm pointing to now. But I need to get the thermostat cable out the way because it's slightly annoying. Once that's out the way, get a 14mm socket and unscrew this bolt that's holding the capacitor on. You have to move the pulley wheels just to the side so you can get to the bolt. Once that's unscrewed, there's 2 cables holding it on the other side. Just pinch and pull and they will release, and then you'll be able to take the capacitor out. There you go. Now I've taken the capacitor out, you can see that it's kind of expanded to one side. Now I'm plugging in the new capacitor. Again, put the cables back, one either side. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here. Then put the capacitor back through into where the motor is, putting the 14mm bolt back on. And then just tighten it up. And job done. Now let's put the kick plate back on, clipping it in place, and then putting in the 3 screws at the bottom. I like working on the trolley, so I'm just lifting the trolley back up, plugging the machine in. I've changed the capacitor from this old one. You can see that it's expanded because these capacitors carry energy, carry electric to help the motor turn. Now this one obviously overstrained itself, and you can see that it's popped out slightly to the left or the right, how you're looking at it. But we put a nice new one on there now. So here goes, we're going to press start. 45-minute rapid, press start. There we go. I hope you found that video quite easy to follow. Again, this is a nice easy repair for those who feel confident enough to do it. Now, it would have saved you money for a call out fee and additional costs. If you do it yourself, then obviously you're only paying for one thing, which is the capacitor. Now this capacitor that we put in was only around £8–9, so this whole job has only cost me that. You could do the same. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and if you want to watch any more of our videos, please follow the links here and here, and thanks for watching.